Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video we're going to be looking at how to customize your WSL terminal from this all the way to this. So let's get into it. Alright, so to start off you're going to need WSL, Kali Linux, Ubuntu, whatever. And it's gonna look a bit plain, maybe not the same, but it's gonna look, very plain and very not nice. So firstly we're gonna have to install ZSH.
So what that's gonna change is the overall look here in your shell. So we're gonna move to the ZSH shell instead of the original Kali Linux shell. So you have to install it with this command, and all these commands will be in the description down below. So firstly, you're gonna have to do sudo su, and you can clear, and you can do that command. So I'm just gonna remove the installation part and press enter. So it's gonna clone into all my ZSH, and
you should have this sh in the beginning to just run it, and it's gonna ask you if you want to change your default shell to the ZSH shell, and you're gonna do yes. So now that all my ZSH is installed, I just cleared my terminal so it's a bit cleaner. Now the second step is to move into your home directory, which is cd and then a curly whatever this is, and then you're going to do clear, and then you can do cd, I forgot the exact command, so we're just going to copy it from here, and we're going to move into the themes directory of OMA ZSH. It's a hidden folder in your home directory. So now you're in here and you have all these themes, but you're going to use the one that I've given you if you want the same result as mine. So you're going to create a new theme. You can name whatever. So now you can just do touch, shoot it, and like firstly the name of the theme, and then .zsh and then -theme. And you can do enter to create that. Then you can do nano to edit the file, and then the name of the file, and then you can do enter. Then this right here is the code, so just gonna copy it and enter that right into there, and do Control O, enter, and Control X. Then you can do clear, and then you can move right back into your home directory, and then you can do nano dot ZSHRC. So you're right in here, and now you're gonna change the ZSH theme from Robbie Russell to Shuja. And then you're gonna do Control O and then enter and then Control X. Clear. So then you're gonna do source.zshrc. And that should convert your terminal into this. So now our work for the actual shell is complete. Now you have to move on to actually modifying the terminal. So you're going to go into settings, select your terminal, Kali Linux one or Ubuntu whatever, and then these are the settings that you want. So you're going to do, firstly it's going to be, the scheme is going to be solarized dark, I think, yeah. And then the font face is going to be Cascadia Mono, font size is going to be 12, and then the cursor shape is going to be, well, it's really whatever you want, but I prefer bar. And then you can do, and then these are the main things that's actually going to impact your terminal. So the opacity is going to be 0, from 0 to 25, okay? It's going to look good at 0 to 25, but it could become too transparent, so just, yeah. So if you hit save on this, it's just going to make your terminal look like this, which is not really what you want. So you're going to do turn on acrylic material, you're going to do save, and now you have a nice looking terminal. Oh, and if you're wondering where I got my background from, I get all my backgrounds from Wallpaper Engine. It's this one primarily. Drop a like if this video helped you, and join my Discord. Peace out.